Are you With the rise of DIY culture and increasing interest in watch maintenance, the demand for reliable watch press tools is growing. Whether you're a professional watchmaker or a hobbyist, the right press tool ensures safe and effective case closing during battery replacement or repairs. In this guide, we evaluate the best watch press tools based on durability, ease of use, compatibility with watch types, and overall value.
List 1. Watch press tool, back case closer for closing the cover.
Watch battery replacement, repair kit for wristwatches. This basic yet reliable watch press tool is ideal for beginners and casual users looking to perform simple battery replacements.
It features a sturdy metal base and
Plastic dies in various sizes, ensuring compatibility with different watch case backs.
the press action is smooth and controlled, reducing the risk of cracking delicate crystal faces. While it doesn't come with advanced accessories, it gets the job done effectively for most standard watches. It's especially useful for round watches and works well for occasional use at home. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills option, this press is a solid pick for straightforward repairs. However, professionals might prefer more comprehensive kits. List 2.
One Bomb Watch Press Tool Set, Watch Repair Kit Professional with everything for various kinds of watch press kit. The One Bomb Watch Press Tool Set is a comprehensive and professional-grade kit designed for both enthusiasts and watch technicians. It includes a full range of high-quality dies to accommodate nearly every watch size and shape: round, square, and rectangular. The heavy-duty press delivers uniform pressure, making it safe for use on both metal and plastic cases. Its ergonomic handle provides excellent grip, reducing user fatigue during long repair sessions. This kit also includes a case holder and cleaning cloth, making it a one-stop shop for all your watch press needs. With its versatility and thoughtful design, the One Bomb kit is perfect for users looking for a premium all-in-one solution. List number: Jurist Watch Press Tool Set, Back Case Closer for closing the cover, Watch Battery Replacement. The Jurist Watch Press Tool Set offers a reliable and user-friendly solution for closing watch backs with precision. It includes multiple nylon dies in varying sizes to prevent damage to the watch surface. What sets this kit apart is the reinforced handle and improved die locking system, which enhances stability during pressing. It's well suited for beginners, thanks to its simple design and clear instructions. While it doesn't include tools for other watch repairs, it excels in what it's designed to do: securely closing snap-on watch backs. If you need a dedicated press tool with consistent performance, this one hits the mark without breaking the bank. List 4. Eventronic 16 Pieces Watch Press Tool Set, Back Case Closer for closing watch cover, Watch Battery Replacement Tool Kit. The Eventronic 16-piece set strikes a great balance between quality and quantity, offering a wide range of dies and accessories for a modest price. The press itself is crafted from strong aluminum alloy and comes with a non-slip base for added safety. This kit supports a wide array of watch sizes and shapes, thanks to its 12 interchangeable dies. What makes this set special is its added tools like a case knife and tweezers, expanding its functionality beyond just pressing. It's perfect for home users who want a full-featured kit without investing in professional-grade gear.
List 5. Lycoon Watch Press Tool, Crystal Press,
Back Case Closer for closing the cover, only for round dials. The Lycoon Watch Press Tool is specifically designed for round watches and crystal setting, making it a specialized tool for users who frequently work with traditional round dial watches. The press includes a set of round dies crafted from non-marring material, ensuring the crystal and case remain scratch-free.
It's particularly useful for pressing acrylic and mineral crystals.
While this tool isn't suitable for square or oddly shaped watches, it excels in its niche.
Lightweight yet sturdy, this tool is ideal for those who prioritize precision and care when working with delicate watch components.